Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to trade Bitcoin directly in Tradingview. This is useful because it lets us analyze the market and place trades through supported brokers, all without switching platforms. Let's get started. On the Tradingview dashboard, to trade Bitcoin directly, all we need to do is click the Trade button in the upper right corner. From there, we can search for our broker. We can type Bitcoin to see all the available Bitcoin brokers on Tradingview. Let's choose Paper Trading as our broker for this example. Once we connect, we can type in search for our symbol like BTC. We will see different options such as Bitcoin, crypto, and Coinbase. We just need to select the Bitcoin we want to trade. As we can see, the trade panel is now ready. We can buy or sell based on our trading decision. That's how we trade Bitcoin directly in Tradingview. With this setup, we can combine powerful chart analysis with real-time trade execution.